Here are the operation steps of storage box. Lift the two sides, and the storage box can be unfolded at 1 second. Remove the wooden board on the top cover to open or close the double opening cover. Tap the side panel from the inside to fix the storage box. The two movable buckles on the side panel can lock or open the window for picking up objects. The small window is convenient to take items. Just close it after taking them out. Just put the board on the cover. Here are 4 holes of the bottom plate. After the storage box is unfolded and fixed, align the 4 bottom cylinders with the holes of the trolley and place it down.